This baby cost more than 1,000 big ones. And Mona Beecham would be okay with spending that kind of money on 50 inches of high-definition heaven, if she actually got to watch it.
It has been a lot of stress.
Right now, the TV looks like it's working fine, but in just a matter of seconds, it'll go out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's out. The problem turns out to be a defective lamp. The TV stopped working in March, 6 months after she bought it, so the TV is still under a 1-year warranty. So Beecham called RCA, and she says after several run-ins with bad customer service, they told her she'd get a new working lamp within 4 to 6 business days. But it would not be as easy as it seemed.
We would have to have a credit card and put a $300 hold on it.
Then once Beecham got it, she would have to ship the bad lamp back, and if RCA found it was really defective, they would take off the $300 charge. Voila, problem solved, right? Not exactly. It's been longer than 4 to 6 business days. It's been more than 4 to 6 weeks with no new lamp and still no picture. 9 on Your Side called RCA, and a representative who wouldn't give us his name told us the lamp was on back order. We asked him how much longer it would be before the Beechams got the lamp, and he said, "We don't know if it'll be a week, month, or a year." To make matters worse, we asked the rep what the Beechams should do while they wait. He said, wait longer. We asked RCA Media Relations for their side of the story, but they haven't returned nearly a dozen calls. Plus, if you just Google RCA consumer complaints, you'll find pages and pages of consumers fed up with RCA because they had problems like Beecham's. Parul Joshi, Eyewitness News 9, on your side.